आपके खिलाफ चार्ज क्या है? आपने बच्चे को
Yes, my lord.
गलत रूप से उसकी हत्या करने का आरोप है इसमें।
Yes, my lord.
यही आरोप है ना मिस्टर श्रुति?
बाथरूम में पाया गया था बच्चे, उसका डेथ हुआ था जब उसके फिर जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आई उसके हिसाब से हेमरेज शॉक ड्यू टू हेड इंजरीज।
My lord, may I?
वही 315 316 है ना प्लीज।
My lord, she has completed custody of 8 months and 20
क्या हो
days,
गया?
and she was the time she conceived, she was student of class 12th, and she could not give her exam, my lord. So again, she has.
एग्जाम देने की व्यवस्था करा देते हैं। जेल अथॉरिटीज विल टेक यू टू।
But my lord, section 239 offences are under section 302, 315, and 316 of IPC.
जी
The applicant is in custody since 4/10/23. Now, my lords, as per prosecution story, police station received information from the hospital that the present applicant has delivered a child in the bathroom of the hospital, and there only that child died.
जी जी जी।
Now, my lords, the date of incident is 3/8/23. FIR was registered on 7/9/23. Now, my lords, the present applicant was arrested when she lodged an FIR against one Shiv Kumar because of whom she conceived. That is on 4/10/23, and it is part of charge sheet also, my lord, that FIR.
नहीं बट आपके खिलाफ चार्ज क्या है? आपने बच्चे को
Yes, my lord.
गलत रूप से उसकी हत्या करने का आरोप है इसमें।
Yes, my lord.
यही आरोप है ना मिस्टर श्रुति?
Yes, my lord.
बाथरूम में पाया गया था बच्चे, उसका डेथ हुआ था जब उसके फिर जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आई उसके हिसाब से हेमरेज शॉक ड्यू टू हेड इंजरीज।
My lord, may I?
वही 315 316 है ना।
May I make a submission with respect to
बताइए।
say, my lord? My lord, as per postmortem report, the findings were that there was abrasion present over the right parietal region of the child, my lords. Now, my lords, firstly, there was no definite opinion was given with regards to cause of death.
ये तो एविडेंस का मैटर है मैडम। एविडेंस आएगी, डॉक्टर की एविडेंस होगी। अभी ट्रायल कोर्ट में वेट
But
करिए।
my lords, firstly, they did not give any opinion with respect to the death of. Then thereafter, after making a signature and relevantly, then they wrote. That means they are trying to implicate that this person, my lord. And not only this,
बच्चा किसका है?
she is accepting this fact. In fact, in the FIR,
Then the circumstances under which child was taken away from her and was found to be dead in the bathroom is to be explained by her only.
yes, my lord, she went to the washroom, my lord, and by default, that child.
Is it her case that she delivered a child in the washroom?
No, my lords, the case is that the child was taken out from the pipe of the washroom, my lords. This is what the case is, submission is.
We are not concerned with it. अभी
But my lords, can I make a submission, my lord?
please.
My lord, she has completed custody of 8 months and 20
क्या हो
days,
गया?
and she was the time she conceived, she was student of class 12th, and she could not give her exam, my lord. So again, she has.
एग्जाम देने की व्यवस्था करा देते हैं। जेल अथॉरिटीज विल टेक यू टू।
But my lords, she has not killed the child, my lords. The reality.
that is to be decided by the trial court. We cannot express any opinion whether she is innocent or she killed the child. We will not
My lords-
comment anything on that.
They have.
See, please try to understand that investigation is prima facie against you. There has to be a trial where you can prove your innocence. But for the present, I do not find it to be an appropriate case to grant bail.
My lords, two more submission. Therefore, otherwise I won't state anything else.
जी।
क्राइम सीन का सर कोई फोटोग्राफ नहीं लगाया है कि वेदर द चाइल्ड एक्चुअली वाज टेकन आउट फ्रॉम दैट पाइप। और सर बच्चे का जो हेड का सर्कमफ्रेंस है वो 32.5 सेंटीमीटर है। इतना बड़ा पाइप तो सर वैसे भी वॉशरूम में कैसे आप निकालेंगे? आप इसको आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे? एंड दैट चाइल्ड जस्ट केम आउट फ्रॉम हर ओनली सर।
अगर मैं पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर होता तो डिस्क्राइब करता कि मेरा काम नहीं है उसको बनाना, ये ट्रायल कोर्ट देखेगा। ठीक है,
ओके माय लॉर्ड्स।
देखिएगा। आपका शुभ नाम बताइएगा।
साक्षी सक्सेना। आई वुड लाइक टू विथड्रॉ माय लॉर्ड।
नहीं, इतना बहस करने का विड्रॉल नहीं होता है, मेरिट पे होगा आप।
माय लॉर्ड्स,
Miss Sakshi Saxena, after arguing,
my lords, I'm requesting any liberty may be granted.
Able to convince this court on merits, prays for withdrawal of the application. Accordingly, first bail application is dismissed as withdrawn. Chaliye.
Highly obliged.
At this stage, her prayer that applicant was 19 years of age at the time of the incident and could not appear in her 12th class examination can be redressed by the police authorities by making appropriate arrangements for her appearance in the examination under police custody.